Don't you know how to recover deleted photos, videos, or other files on your Android phone? Don't worry, watch and practice the tutorial in this video. Actually, photos or videos that you delete on your Android phone are not actually deleted, but will be stored for 30 days in the trash folder before being permanently deleted. And that applies to all brands of Android phones. To recover it, there are two ways you can try. First, open the Gallery app on your Android phone. Tap this menu or icon, and open the Trash menu. And here you will display all the photos or videos that you have deleted for less than 30 days. Select the photos or videos you want to recover. Tap Restore. And now they are back in your Android phone gallery. The second way, open the File Manager app on your Android phone. Then open the Trash folder in the Utilities category. All files that you have deleted in less than 30 days, such as photos, videos, music, documents, etc., will be displayed. Just select one or more of your files. Tap Restore. And you're done. Those are two ways to restore deleted photos, videos, or other files on an Android phone. It's easy, isn't it? Good luck, and thanks for watching.